Hello YouTube, this is Chesko from STEM APKs. Welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial we're going to continue working with channels, color channels, and splitting channels into their different individual colors, and we'll be using split function is in C++ and in Python. This function here, it divides a multi-channel array into several single channel arrays, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is SSH into our Raspberry Pi, and SSH here. Clear here and clear here. CD into Tutorial-15, and these are the files. And let me show you first of all the images. Halley's and the Greek sunset. This is Halley's comet. I don't know if you could really see, there's a blue streaks here of the comet's tail. And the second image is this, it's not that one, that's the logo that we'll be using also. And it's this beautiful Greek sunset. Okay, so I'll be using the Greek sunset and also the Halley's comet, and I'm gonna try to put them together in different channels. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do. And let's leave this here for now. Let's open it, and let me show you what the files look like. Nano CMake, and this is the template. The same thing we always do. Call it split channels is the project name. The executable is called split channels, and name C++ file split channels C++, and the one that links the libraries together, split channels. Okay, nothing new. Oops. Yes, and then let me show you the C++ code. Split channels C++. And this is also from Robert Lagarnier's book, and it's chapter 2. You can go, and if you have the book, and read that chapter. It's a very good chapter. I tweaked it around. I did switch certain things around to make it do what I wanted it to do, but basically the essence is the same. It's important, or as you can see, it's creating these matrices. The object matrix here is decoding the images and saving it into the image1 and image2 variables. Here is looking to make sure that there's pictures in there, that there's data. This is using the add weighted overloaded operator function. It's a different implementation of the one that we used in the last tutorial, but it's the same function. It's just using the overloaded one. Go to that chapter in his book and read on it. It's worth the while. And it's creating the windows, showing the one with the overloaded operators in this one. And here it's going to create one in black and white. And here it's going to show you the different channels. This is the standard vector here that is being used, and it's splitting into 3 one-channel images, and then it's showing you one of those channels, whatever you pick here, and then it's going to merge it back together again. Okay, so that's what it's doing. The code is doing. I will include this code in my website. You can go and download it if you need it, if you want it for one of your projects. Okay, so let's run it. And this is the wrong file. It's doing something else. CD tutorial. I think I compiled something else. CMake and It's doing that one now. And as you can see here, you can change it here. This one right now is going to do the 0, 1, and 2. This is red, 0 is blue, 1 is green. Okay, I just wanted to show you. I'll probably show you 2 of them. So now let's run it. Well, first of all, let me show you what it created. It created this guy right here. Okay, so let's just run the executable, and it's gonna show you the original, the one with the overloaded operators, as you can see here, making the black and white one, and it's showing you the red channel, because you can see it became red. Okay, and you can see all of these stars are red. Okay, this is using the red channel. Now let's change it around, and let's let me quit here. Quit and quit to make it go quicker. And now instead of red, let's make it blue. So let's do 0. Okay, Control X, yes, and then Control C, and then let's recompile again. And let me reopen the code again so you can look at it. And it's done. And now let's do it again. Whoops. And as you can see, it does the same sunset image, the operators, the black and white, but now it's the blue channel. Okay, now it's doing it on the blue channel. Okay, this is doing with C++. Now we're gonna do it with Python. Control C, and let me quit here. Yes, and let me show you the Python code. Split channels Py, and this is the Python code. It's taking this function right here, so you can see it here, this one right here, and this is what it's doing. It's importing the logo, the OpenCV logo that I showed you earlier. It's splitting the image, the 3-channel image is splitting it into 3 single channel images, BGR, and the B is the blue logo, the green logo, and then the red logo. That's what it will represent. This is doing this. This is basically what it's doing. This right here is equivalent to this line right here. Okay, 0 will be the blue, the green, and the red. The blue, the green, and the red. Remember, in OpenCV is BGR, it's not RGB, it's backwards. Okay, and I'm creating 4 windows, one for the blue logo only, one for the green logo only, one for the red logo only, the red part of the logo I mean, and then one that is merged together with all of them in one. Okay, and then it's going to show each one individually, each channel individually, and then the channel here is going to be merged. Okay, so let's run it. And this is what it's supposed to look like. This is the red right here. As you can see, the opening is going to be right here, and you can see it's on top, and it's the red one right there. Okay, this one is the green one. As you can see, this is the green one right here, and this is the green one. So it will be on this side, and this is the blue one. Okay, as you can see here, is the red, green, and the blue. Okay, and then if you look at it at all of them merged together, this is what what they look like when you merge them together. And let me just close this so you can see easier, and you can see them all merged together into one. Okay, it's a really nice demonstration of the channels, single channels, and then merged back together. But this is the end of the tutorial. If you like this tutorial, please click the like box and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time with another tutorial. Thanks for watching.